Hello everyone, it's me Angel and thank you for watching my channel. Welcome to another brand new video, and for this video I'm gonna be showing you how I created this mandala painting. This is DIY mandala painting, so I'm using tools that is what I have available in here. So now I just got new items which I'm gonna show you later. So this is my first ever mandala painting. I'm happy about the finish painting. This is just what I have in my idea. You can see that it's not really perfect, but it's handmade and it's my first time, so please bear with me guys if you can spot some differences, because if you made a mandala painting it should be symmetrical to the points. I will show you a quick meaning about the mandala painting. So guys, this is my painting for the month of March. Whenever I have time for myself, I do it for painting. So this is the painting that I've done in the span of 1 month. So this painting is on a 60 by 60 centimeter blank canvas. I'm planning to do a lot of this, and I bought some of the materials that I needed, and I'm gonna be showing you as well what I've got from the Amazon. So if you wanna know how I created this painting, then keep on watching. So I'm using this acrylic color, it's a turquoise, and then this brush to use as my background. So I am done painting the base and the background. This is the update from my first day of painting, and this line is not really a good idea because it does deform the shape of the circle, so I erased it for my second dots. So let's continue for the second day. So next to my color is this peachy one. It's like a flesh tint. It's very creamy from 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒, and I'm using this one. Still, I'm doing the DIY of using the dots. There you have it, guys. Hope you enjoy my video on how I created this lovely painting. Comment down below if you want to recreate this kind of painting. And that's it for this video. Hope you enjoy it and see you in my next one. Bye!